remember all the words you threw like stones against my fragile frame. You chipped away with cruel intent, whispering my every fault and shame. You built your throne on my despair, delighting in my silent tears. You tried to clip my wings so close, convinced I'd crumble through the years. Each obstacle you placed ahead, a twisted test designed to break. You watched with eager, hungry eyes, anticipating my mistake. You wanted me to disappear, a faded memory in the dust. But with each blow, a fire burned, fueling a quiet, growing trust. You still play your wicked games, convinced your power knows no end. You think your fortress stands so strong, a reign of terror without ornaments. But karma's a patient hand, and debts are always paid in kind. The darkness you so freely sow will circle back and leave you blind. Like the phoenix bird, I will rise from my own ashes, watch you fall from grace. But I will extend a hand even after all I can, embrace your hate. I will rise, leaving you behind, watching you fall. But know that I will be there to help you with your my kindness now for weakness or a sign of fear. It simply means I won't become the monster you were always near. I choose to break this bitter chain, to rise above the pain you caused, a better version of myself, not lost but found and never paused. Like the phoenix bird, I will rise from my own ashes, watch you fall from grace. But I will extend a hand even after all I can, embrace your hate. I will rise, leaving you behind, watching you fall. But know that I will be there to help you with your call. Rise from